English and Spanish vowel sounds. There is a lot of features that make English and Spanish vowel sounds quite different. First, as the point of articulation is not the same, they have to learn how to articulate sounds. Next, both languages have a different number of vowel sounds. Spanish vowel sounds are articulated in a more open way, while English is a more closed language. A Spanish speaker generally articulates an English sound the same way they do in Spanish. That is why it's very difficult for him to produce English vowel sounds. To improve his pronunciation, it is necessary to put the tongue in the back of the mouth. There are three main points of articulation to classify English vowel sounds. First, the front vowels, also called bright vowels, are those that are produced when the tongue is positioned in the front of the mouth, and they also need the lips to be spread. Those phonemes are E, which is the highest front vowel, which is present in the words live, sleep, and beat. The second one is E, found in the words live, sleep, and bet. The next one is E, which is found in words like met, spend, and bend. And finally, the last front vowel sound is the sound A, which is the lowest front vowel sound. We can find it in the following words: cat, mat, and in the preposition at. The second group of vowels is the central vowels, which are produced when the tongue is in the middle of the mouth and our lips are in a neutral position. Those sounds are like in the words bird and first. Then found in alive and emotion. And the last one is as in love and cup. Finally, there is a last group called back vowels, because to articulate them, the tongue needs to be pulled back and our lips are generally rounded. Those vowel sounds are oo, as in food. The second one is oo, like in the verb look. The next is like in dog. And the last is like in pot. So these are English vowel sounds. In Spanish, although there are no more than 5 vowel sounds in the IPA, there is a very similar classification. We can find vocales anteriores, which are E, in words like elegir, pase, and era, and the vowel E in the words iglú, amigo, and allí. Next, there is the vocal central o media, which is only the vowel sound A, found in the words ama, casa, and mar. And finally, the last Spanish vowel group is vocales posteriores. Those are O, represented in the words oso and ojo, and U, like in tu, and urraca. These are Spanish vowel sounds. Moreover, as we can see, some English vowel sounds are not used in Spanish. That is because in Spanish, one phoneme stands for one grapheme. It means that every simple grapheme is pronounced. For example, the grapheme A is going to be pronounced generally A, and the same is going to happen with all Spanish vowels. In contrast, English vowel sounds can be written different ways. For example, the vowel sound E can be written I, UI, Y, IE, U, E, O. Examples: been, busy, build, pretty, myth, women, and sieve. However, there are some Spanish vowel sounds which are not represented in the chart because we don't realize we pronounce them, just because they are influenced by a consonant. In this case, I'm referring to nasal vowel sounds, which are pronounced when a simple vowel is in the middle of 2 nasal consonants. Example: mano and nene. Or they are also pronounced when the simple vowel is in the beginning of the word, followed by a nasal consonant. Example: hombre and Anna. In conclusion, English and Spanish vowel sounds are very different since they have different points of articulation and also because they have also different ways of writing and because of the number of vowel sounds is not also the same. That is why sometimes Spanish speakers can get confused when learning English.